Now this is entirely a different collection. This is the shirt is muslin fabric. It's pista green color. No, it's a mint color. This is the pista green color dupatta. The yoke portion has this rich work done, sequin with some thread work. Thread work is done with a mix of colors: pink, blue, grey, green, and some golden color. Threads are used on the yoke design. It's a semi-stitched suit, so the neck design is also provided. The neck design also has this piping work done. This is the sleeve. The back side is plain, and the bottom is pure cotton, same mint color fabric. This is the dupatta. Dupatta is grand. It's a muslin dupatta. Dupatta has this rich work done all over. Sequins are used for this design, golden sequins. It's a very attractive design done on this pista green color. One side of the dupatta has got this kind of border, and the other side has got cut work with some embroidery. See, this can be used as an office wear or some party wear. Anything is fine. It's a simple, elegant suit. Next set. This is Chanderi fabric. It's a mix of maroon with pink. Floral prints all over the shirt, and this yoke portion has got some hand work, thread work, note work, and with some French knot work with some golden sequins attached. Daman portion. This is the daman portion, printed daman with some sequin highlights, and the gotapati lace, samosa lace is taped at the end of the bottom. There may be slight color differences. I am mentioning here again. This is maroonish hue, maroon with pink mixed. It's a mixed shade of colors, maroon with some beige, pink. Everything is a mix. Every shade is mixed all over. And this is the sleeve portion. They have given the printed design with border and samosa lace for the sleeves. Back is again printed with the border design at the bottom of the shirt. Bottom is cotton fabric, pure cotton fabric. Dupatta is printed dupatta. The floral prints which was on the shirt is again used in the dupatta, and the border is also repeated here for the dupatta with some grand prints on the pallu portion. This is Chanderi fabric. The dupatta and shirt is Chanderi, and the bottom is pure cotton. We have got one more design. This looks like a camouflage. It's a coral, peach, orange, yellow, green. Every color is here in the shirt portion. It's a multicolored top. This is the yoke. The yoke is very nice. They have done some note work with some sequins, and some sequins have been attached. The yoke is very rich, and this is the daman portion as the border, and it is highlighted with some sequins. Now let's see the sleeve. This is the sleeve portion. The same camouflage kind of print is used, but here the print seems somewhat big. In the sleeve they have used tiny prints for the camouflage type of look. The sleeve has again the printed border with samosa lace. Back of the shirt. The back of the shirt has the same print and border at the bottom. This is the bottom, pure cotton bottom in peach color. Dupatta has this grand pallu with the camouflage prints in the middle portion. It's somewhat kind of Mughal type of prints. I would say both the last two collections have got Mughal type of prints. So it looks elegant, which makes that look elegant actually. This is the dupatta, Chanderi fabric. So these are the collections for today. If you like any of these, please get a screenshot of it and get in touch with us through WhatsApp.